सो काल तुम्ही ऐकला इन्सिडेंट जाला तो आमचो नॅशनलाचो भुरगो विवेक शिरोडकर आनी तेगे बायलेक मारामारी जाल्ली आनी भरपूर मार पडलो तांकां कोण मोयड्याचे लोक आयिल्ले म्हूण सांगला आनी FIR घायल्ले ते आनी तांकां हॉस्पिटल पासून वचपाक पडलो सो हांव येयल्लो इन्वेस्टिगेशन कितें जालें तें पळोवपाक and to follow up because Vivek Shirodkar and his family are very close to me and they are my very strong supporters. So I thought it is my duty and responsibility that I must come and see what happened because we cannot tolerate such type of gundagiri which is going on. And if anybody thinks that they can raise their hand and beat up somebody, take law in their hands, they are mistaken. We will set the law on them. So now, आता हांव येयला तेन्ना हांव DYSP मेळ्ळा आनी PI मेळ्ळा. I've expressed my concerns and I've said I'm not happy with the investigation. And I'm not happy with the investigation. Reason I sangla taka. I will not disclose the reasons. I don't want anything to go wrong. But I have demanded that the IO who is investigating should be replaced. And the DYSP assured me after hearing the justification, he felt that what I was saying was right and he will move SP for removal of the IO. I believe that if you want a fair investigation, you must have a neutral IO. You can't have a biased one, or you cannot have somebody who plays games. And this is a matter of life and death. You have a pregnant woman. This is the most serious thing. You have a pregnant woman whom you assault. And I aikla ki Vivekan pasun uber rapa jayna for 10 seconds. He is now in Vision Hospital. And the wife has been also coughing out blood, which is not very good, and especially when you are pregnant. So she's also in the hospital now. So it's a very serious matter, and the police have told me, because I had told earlier before I came, you have only put section 118 into bracket 2, which is akin to section 326 IPC. But now 118 into bracket 2 is having 10 years imprisonment. But I said, why not attempt to murder, which they have put now, because I had to ask them why it was not put, which means it's the fault of the IO who was registering the offence, and certain other lapses also. And I think that the police have to do a very serious investigation in the matter. All these culprits have to be brought to book, and I want that no one should be spared in this matter.
So the Krishna as a MLA ason कितें investigation slow जालें.
So ek party, when the arm of the law, one part of the arm of the law does not cooperate, the slows are much. And I'm not happy with the investigation by the IO. You understand? So right from the beginning I was not happy, and I'm not indicating what I'm telling, what I've told, because this is matter of investigation, and I don't want anyone to know what are the lapses I have pointed out. But I'm confident that the police will be able to overcome this and make a proper case paper, proper file, do a proper investigation, and bring it to a successful conviction.
सो कोणाचो दबाव बी आसा अशें कितें कोणाचो दबाव बी येयला अशें कितें
DYSP कितें सांगलें सर की इन्वेस्टिगेशन सध्या खंय मेरेन पावल्या.
They are searching for their accused.
Okay.
They पळोवन आसात सद्या, and they have put up teams to locate them, and it is in progress. I can't tell you much more than that because we can't alert other people as to what is going on.
सर काल अशें म्हणून आयकोंक येतालें की फ्रॉम द फॅमिली फ्रंट दॅट टू कॉम्प्रोमायज दी इशू की खंय ना खंय एक कॉल येताले म्हणून तांकां कंटिन्युअसली. सो अशा टायमाचेर वेन द लेडी इज 3 months प्रेग्नंट आनी एसॉल्ट जालो, हितून पॉलिटिक्स
हांव नेना कोणूय फोन केलो आनी असले जाल्यार हांव एडवायस दिवपाचो आमच्या लोकांक मातशें कॉम्प्रोमायज करनाका म्हणून हांव सांगपाचो डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज it's a matter of life and death, you understanding?
Yes.
It is not only Vivek who was assaulted so brutally, but also a pregnant woman being assaulted. Tomorrow, God forbid, I hope it does not happen, but suppose she loses a child because of this. It's a very serious matter. So I would never have said that, because unless I really want small thing, there are some matters, barik push kelo, podlo, thapad marle, I would say okay, forgive and forget. But when these are serious matters and you come in a gang like this and you want to spoil the law and order and peace in our constituency and bring a bad name, I think this is the time. It's spare the rod and spoil the child. So therefore, I believe that we must allow the long arm of the law to catch you and you put it behind bars so that you learn a lesson and that it will be a lesson for others also not to come and think that they can take law in their hands.
So accused are still absconding now?
If they are not been arrested, they are absconding.
सर कोणाचो दबाव बी आसा की न्ही पुलिसांचेर कोणाचो दबाव बी आसा?
प्रेशर आहे हो, आणि कोणाचो प्रेशर आहे हितून की पुलिसांची इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन खंय तरी स्लो जाल्या दॅट यू आर नॉट हॅपी इन दीस.
I'm not going to reveal all the details. I said to you, don't allow me to make some statement which can derail an investigation. Forgive me for that. But I only have told you, expressed it, that I was not happy with the entire situation. And that's why I already suspected it. But I had to come and make sure what I was thinking was right. Because आता आमकां तितले दुबाव आसता. येयले तेन्ना, पळय तेन्ना, बसले तेन्ना, उलयले तेन्ना, then we come to know what really happens. And that is what happened.
तर कितले लोक हरवले accused तर? त्याला कितले नाव
They have said, I think, between 15 to 20 people in the complaint. Things are now deal now, but I think that they have already disclosed the names to the police about who they were.
जो वापर झालो, दाण्याचो वापर झालो, चॉपर जाल्ले, जो पळयतेच खंय तरी गाडयेन असले म्हणून तेंच्या आणि देव टोटल 15 to 20 हेचे गँग येयले 3-4 गाडयो घेवन हे अशें कितें म्हणून.
कितें जाला हे लोक कोण फुडें सोडले ते आशिल्ले न्हिदून आशिल्ले. They were like sleeper cells. When I got elected, no one dared come. Today they think they have power, and they think because of the power they can come out and do anything what they want, and they have their godfathers to protect them. You have to chop off the legs of these people, and then you'll come to know what really comes out. What I mean is chop off the leg of the bosses who are behind them. You understanding? And when they fall, all these people will fall.
सर देवस्थान कितें सांगलें सध्या.
I will not disclose on gate. Our conversation, our discussions is something very private. Please, I ask you, don't repeat again to ask me the same question.
Yes, sir. But you will be taking a follow-up on this case.
On a daily basis, we will make sure that we are in the right direction for the investigation and for everything.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
रस्ता पोस मरे
टायर झाल्या मरे
मुझे भाषे हड्डे झाले इथे.
टायर चेंज कर मरे. योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्युशन एका जाग्यार विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी.
अरे वा.
योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल, आलेम हायवे, मारगांव.